Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are diving into another round of updates and discussions that you won't want to miss. There's been a lot happening lately, and honestly, I'm so excited to break everything down for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future uploads. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. Plot summary: Bunny's life takes an unexpected turn when she meets Yuvan, a mentally disabled man who has suffered emotional and physical abuse from his in laws. Due to unforeseen circumstances, Bunny marries Yuvan as a compromise, but she later dedicates herself to protecting him from the cruelty and manipulation of his family. As Bunny gets to know Yuvan better, she discovers his incredible musical talent. Determined to bring out the best in him, she supports and encourages him to follow his passion, with the goal of turning him into a rock star despite his mental challenges. Their relationship faces new trials with the entry of Augusta, a famous rock star. Initially, he clashes with Bunny and Yuvan, but over time, Auguste develops deep feelings for Bunny. However, he chooses to put her happiness first and stands by her and Yuvan during their difficult times. Meanwhile, Tulika, Yuvan's childhood friend, re-enters their lives. She shares a complicated bond with Kabir, Yuvan's aggressive and protective split personality. Tulika loves Kabir, and Kabir, in return, loves her deeply. As Yuvan struggles with his split personality disorder, Bunny, Agastya, and Tulika join hands to help him recover. They suppress their own emotions and desires, focusing solely on Yuvan's healing and Bunny's happiness. The series beautifully portrays love, sacrifice, healing, and emotional strength, showing how Bunny's unwavering compassion helps Yuvan rediscover himself and lead a better life. Main cast and character: Zulka Gupta as Bunny Singh Rathore, a strong, independent woman who runs her own catering and home delivery business. She marries Yuvan and becomes a protective, loving wife who supports him through his mental health struggles. She is also Augustus' love interest and Atharv's stepmother. Pravisht Mishra in dual roles as Yuvan Singh Rathore, a talented musician with special needs, the son of Hemant and Vandana, and stepson of Manini. Bunny helps him discover his musical abilities. Kabir Singh Rathore, Yuvan's split personality, created due to trauma, aggressive yet deeply loving toward Tulika. Riya Sharma as Dr. Tulika Anand, Yuvan's childhood friend who becomes Kabir's wife and Atharv's mother. She shares a warm friendship with Auguste. Arjit Taneja as Auguste Kapoor, a famous rock star and music judge who becomes Yuvan's mentor. He develops one-sided love for Bunny but later supports her and Yuvan during treatment. He is the son of Param Kapoor. Into today's video, so that's it for now, guys. We've gone through a lot in this episode and I'm really curious to know what you think. Share your thoughts and opinions down below. I always love reading your comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share it with someone who might too. More updates and stories are on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.